Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make another Discord account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So do you want to join the vibrant world of Discord but don't know where to start? Whether you're looking to chat with friends, join the community, or find new people who share your interests, setting up a Discord account is a quick and easy. And this video will show you how to make Discord account. It's very simple. So first of all, don't forget, of course, you can install Discord on your device. After that, you can just open Discord. If you already have an account, you can just log in with your email and phone number and enter your password, or you can just scan the barcode. And if you haven't, you can select on the register, and in here you can enter your email. You can enter your email to create your Discord account. For example, you can enter your display name, and you can enter your username. You can search for the available username like this. You can enter password. You can create password, the strong password. You can add your date of birth and also the year. After you finish, it's optional. It's okay to send me email Discord updates if you want to, but if you don't want, you can just uncheck list. But I will check listening like this. So after you finish, enter your data like email and others, you can just select on create account. Now you can confirm. This. You can verify. So here you go. Here's your new Discord account. You can start like finding friends or join to community on Discord or others. It's very simple, right? So, and here you can also check your email to confirm your account. If you don't get the email, you can just resend the email. After that, you can verify. You can verify your account on Gmail. Now we can just continue to Discord. Using your Discord, find new friends, join community. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create another Discord account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.